Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dahi Oats, a refreshing and healthy breakfast. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to simple preparation steps, ensuring you can create a delicious meal with ease. This guide is designed to help you quickly master this versatile dish, perfect for busy mornings or a light snack. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with this wholesome and customizable recipe. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of rolled oats, not instant oats, for the best texture. Next, have 1 cup of fresh, plain dahi or yogurt ready. Full fat or low fat works well. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of milk, which can be dairy or a non-dairy alternative like almond milk. Finally, select your favorite sweeteners and toppings to personalize your dahi oats. Now, let's prepare your dahi oats. In a bowl, combine the rolled oats with the milk and let them soak for about 15 minutes to soften. After soaking, stir in the dahi or yogurt until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Next, add your preferred sweetener, perhaps 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. For optimal flavor and texture, refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 hours or, ideally, overnight. The best part about dahi oats is how easily you can customize them. Before serving, top your chilled oats with fresh fruit such as berries, sliced bananas, or mango. For added texture and nutrients, sprinkle on some chopped nuts, seeds, or a handful of granola. A dash of cinnamon or cardamom can also elevate the flavor profile. Serve your dahi oats chilled for a truly refreshing and satisfying meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.